shirts, anyone? Hey there guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney, and normally I talk all things wavy curly hair. Lately, we've been having a whole lot of fun playing around with this series called One Brand Wash Days, wherein I wash and style my wavy curly hair with all products from just one brand. And we're taking a little quick break, a little change of pace. You may or may not have noticed that I'm a little bit sneaky in my videos. I'm a Christian and I wear faith-based t-shirts as part of being me. This is really how I dress all the time. And I have actually found a company that I really love buying from. Their shirts are decent quality, they have plenty of sales, and they're faith-based shirts. So today we are doing an unboxing. Is it an unboxing? If it comes in a bag. I'm showing you my most recent t-shirt haul, and you will probably be seeing these t-shirts in upcoming videos. Don't worry, if you are interested in these shirts, I will have everything linked in the description box down below if you feel like checking them out for yourself. No pressure, I totally get it. If you are not interested in my weird obsession with faith-based t-shirts, you don't have to watch this video. Just make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked so that we can hang out on all the curly hair content. All right, now let's get to the shirts. I order my shirts from Faithful & Co. That is the name of the brand. And honestly, it's been a minute since I ordered these. This is not Amazon free 2-day Prime shipping, okay? This is a small business, and it's been a couple of weeks and I've slept since I made this order. But I do know that I'm rather excited, and I feel like I picked out some really good ones this time. So, that was satisfying. Let's see what I bought. We'll kind of be going through this together. First up, we have It Is Well With My Soul. I personally buy just about every shirt they sell in this particular color. I love the periwinkle. Periwinkle? Can we say that this is periwinkle? I'm not sure how it's showing up on camera, but it is kind of that light blue that's slightly purpley. And I absolutely love the little flowers on this particular shirt. I ordered a size extra small. For reference, this is how big I am. I'm 5'1" and short and small. So extra small fits me well. They are Bella canvas, so if you have looked at getting shirts screen printed, you'll know that Bella canvas is like the really soft, nice, high quality ones. I will say I've noticed that these shirts last about a year before I have thoroughly worn them out. Now, in the past, I've purchased like 5-ish, and that's essentially my uniform. I wear these shirts all day, every day. I do laundry once a week. I am not nice to my laundry. I don't do anything special. It goes in the washing machine, it goes in the dryer, and then it gets hung up in my closet. And they last about a year. So these aren't the absolute most durable piece of clothing I've ever owned, but I'm happy with the wear that I get out of these particular shirts. So shirt number 1, It Is Well With My Soul. And I love this color so much. Also, the shirt I'm currently wearing is one that I actually made myself, and I got tired of making shirts myself, so I started ordering from Faithful & Co. Next up, we have another one in that beautiful periwinkle color, and it says, Not Perfect, Just Forgiven. Yes, this one's a repurchase. I really, really like this one. I get compliments every time I wear this particular shirt. People take a minute to read it, and you can watch their brain processing it, and then a little light bulb turns on and they give this little grin. I tend to like shirts that are more, what's the word? Not subversive. I'm not trying to be secretive, but like, if you know kind of shirt, you know? I don't want it to be wildly obvious that it's faith-based when you first read it, but they all kind of are anyway. I don't know. And as I just said that I don't want them to be blatantly faith-based shirts, this one says, And if not, he is still good, quoting the Bible verse. Daniel 3:18. This one's not very subtle, but that's fine. I also really like this color. I have one already, and it had like the fruits of the spirit on it, but like really small. It was cute. I like this color. It looks good. My only qualm about this particular shirt is that the decal is kind of lower and it looks bigger than it did when I looked at it online. I thought it would be a little bit smaller and a little bit higher, so all the fun lettering may not be as visible in some of the YouTube videos, but it'll be super cute wearing it out and about around town. And if any of y'all have watched some of my other videos that aren't about curly hair, like I've shared some stuff that my family and I have gone through. I struggle with rheumatoid arthritis. It kicks my booty some days. I had a scare with my daughter's pregnancy, and what got me through was, and if not, he is still good. So this verse is particularly near and dear to my heart because it's so true. Oh, this is the shirt I was talking about. This is a repurchase as well. It is the fruits of the spirit, but done in a very subtle way. It's all these different flowers, and instead of like having the genus and species name of the flower underneath, it has the fruits of the spirit underneath, and you kind of have to like really look at the shirt and pay attention to see that it's faith-based. But once you begin reading them, you know that it's faith-based because these are the fruits of the spirit. Also, can I just clothe myself in the fruits of the spirit? I have a hard time with love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control on a day-to-day basis. Maybe if I like put them on me, on a shirt, I'll do better. I'll be reminded every time I look in the mirror. Okay, Courtney, take a deep breath. You got this. This one's really fun. It's kind of beachy. It's salt and light. I get major beach vibes from this shirt. And Matthew 5:13 through 16, salt and light. You kind of have to read it for a minute before you realize that it's a faith-based shirt. Again, that decal is kind of big and kind of low. I wish it was higher up and slightly smaller. It's kind of hitting in a weird spot. But again, all of these are in size extra small. I do absolutely love this color. This is a very light blue. It's beautiful, makes me happy. Then we have kind of like a more fall shirt. Some of these are very summery, but this one gives me fall apple picking vibes or something like that. It says, perhaps you were created for such a time as this. Ephesians 4:13. Again, more blatant faith-based, but still, you kind of have to read it. You kind of have to be paying attention. I like the font, and for whatever reason, it's not bugging me that this one is big and low because part of the letters are showing. I don't know. This is a pretty color. I enjoy this color on me. I have very cool undertones in my skin, and it can be rather hard to find a color that I like. I know there's all this color theory with like, are you a summer? Are you a winter? And I don't know any of that. I just know that certain colors really pop and certain colors wash me out. If anybody has all the knowledge on the color theory and like which color you should wear, comment down below because I don't know and I can't help you with that. Now we have one that's in the same color, but look at this. This looks like a beautiful piece of art. This is the classic faith. Like I have another t-shirt with this faith written on it, but it looks like a cross. And it's in this really pretty, almost watercolor painting. Can we get closer? Can you see the cuteness? There you go. Again, just, this one's subtle. It looks like art, but you have the faith hiding in there. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna love this one. Yeah, I'm gonna love this one. I really like this. If you haven't noticed, I tend to gravitate towards like flowers. I don't do geometric shapes. Apparently I do geometric shapes, but lately I've been enjoying a shirt with a flower on it more than the shapes. Oh, well, okay. This shirt I have already. I did not remember that I bought this one at all. I have this decal on this colored shirt in my closet, but apparently I decided that I wanted to purchase it in this color as well, and I think past Courtney made a good decision. I have several of Faithful & Co. shirts in this color. I feel like I look good in this color, I like this color, but now I have the Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness. If you know, you know. It's lyrics to one of my favorite songs on a shirt with pretty flowers. We made it, guys. We made it to the end of the shirts. We have, in all your ways, acknowledge him and he will direct your path. Proverbs 3:6. And directing paths, we have shoes, fairly blatant Bible verse in that same pretty color. Ooh, I like that. I think that's cute. I like wearing shirts with art on them. I'm gravitating towards like more hand-drawn sort of artwork on the shirts. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that a lot. All right, guys, I know these shirts aren't everyone's cup of tea. I know that this may not be your kind of video, but I thought it would be fun to unbox these faith-based t-shirts that I wear in my videos together, because y'all are gonna be seeing them in upcoming videos. Honestly, all I wear are t-shirts and jeans. Anybody else? Does somebody want to come be my personal stylist? Because I can't seem to break out of this rut. But I really love these shirts. They're rather modest. They allow me to wash and style my hair for you guys on a regular basis. And I feel like they say something, a little something in the background of all of my videos. I've been here on the YouTubes making videos about curly hair for roughly 4 years now. And early on, I felt like I could make an impact by wearing faith-based t-shirts in my videos, not necessarily pointing it out, but just as a way to nod to my faith. The main purpose of this channel is to help you guys embrace the hair that you are fearfully and wonderfully made with, because when I embraced the hair that I am fearfully and wonderfully made with, it unlocked the deepest self-acceptance I have ever known. I have always been an incredibly self-conscious person, never thinking I was good enough, always doing everything in my power to alter how I looked so that I would be loved and accepted by the people around me, when in fact, I am fully accepted and loved by my creator. And guess what? He made me with some really fun wavy curly hair, and learning how to style it and embrace it has been one of the funnest things I've ever done. And I've had the opportunity to get to hang out with you guys and share what I've learned and maybe help you out along the way. And hopefully you like these shirts and can go check them out if you want. Full disclosure, it is an affiliate link. However, Faithful & Co. did not sponsor this video whatsoever. They don't even really know I exist, other than I went and applied for their affiliate program on their website. They don't give me a discount when I purchase these shirts. I purchased all these shirts with my own money, and I got it on a really good sale. I have signed up for their email list and their text messages. They're one of the few companies that I don't mind getting all of the bombardment of the emails, because they really do add value in their email list by giving you plenty of sales and discounts and coupons. So there's that. If you do purchase through the link in the description in my bio, it is an affiliate link. It would be a way to help me out, and you can also grab some of these awesome shirts. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me on today's video. I know it was a little different, and I always get a little bit nervous when I talk about my faith because it's the internet. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.